ZENEA, a celebration of a Canadian brand, yet Swiss-made watch. ZENEA, all the class and build quality of mid to high level luxury, but a lot more affordable. Thanks to Jason at ZENEA Watch Company, he loaned me this beauty and wow, and shared his philosophy with me. Appreciate every moment. I love that. Enter the ZENEA ULA Diver Time and Space Meteorite. With that blue ceramic bezel. Whew! 316 L surgical grade stainless steel makes up this gorgeous 41mm brushed and polished lines case. Some great specifications for this piece make it a versatile wear for anyone. 20mm lug, 48mm lug to lug. Not stretching too far across your wrist, making it wear like a 40. 12mm thickness. Beautiful. Full bracelet weight, 175 grams. And of course, it's going to be much lighter once links are removed for sizing. 5.5mm screw down crown, because there's significant water resistance here. Now, I may be a little biased as a fellow Canadian here, but we have some stellar craftsmanship put into this design. Now, ZENEA is a Canadian-based brand, launched in 2020, the first line of the watches for the ULA Diver design in 5 configurations: a volcanic obsidian black, a snowdrop classic white, Japanese garden blue, ocean hornet yellow, and this beauty, the Time and Space Meteorite. A screw-down case back with 2 heraldic dolphins swimming in concentric circles is engraved or embossed in the back, representing the continuity and the never-ending nature of time, with the hourglass Z logo in the center. Smashing, isn't it? She's closed up nice with this case back, and all the tests for water certification are done prior to sale and rated at a 300-meter water resistance. The case is finished off with strength and ultimate clarity with sapphire crystal and an anti-reflective coating. Its flat design runs seamlessly into the blue ceramic unidirectional bezel, also with lume built in. Now that's top notch. It's built for divers. If you wanted to take it under the surface, you would have the reassurance of an accurate and clear timing instrument while also having a secure fit over wetsuits, dry suits, and diving attire. Dynamite. Now the dial, here we go with the rock star of the watch, the ultimate dive watch feature. This Meteorite dial is next level. Something out of space, or reminds me of Superman's Fortress of Solitude, you know, with that textured crystal look. This textured dial, depending on the light, can look gray, bronze, silver, gold. It's just dynamic and provides a great backdrop for the contrasting hands, markers, and numbers on the dial. Applied numbers and markers filled with superluminova provide ultimate low light visibility, matching that of the bezel as well. And in normal lighting conditions, that silver frame design causes great depth. She pops. Numbers only at the 12 and 6, a date window at the 3 o'clock position with no cyclops necessary, and black on white display. Now, blue toned sword hands with lume and a large lollipop seconds hand runs around this dial. The applied hourglass Z logo and ZENEA are at the 12. The ULA Diver Automatic and 300 meters or 30 ATM are at the 6. And don't forget Swiss made at the lower 6. I'm really digging this dial. She's finished off great with a minute chapter ring with accent red 5 increment markers running around the dial, and the seconds hand also in that beautiful Canadian red. Nice touch. Now the movement here, she's a Swiss-made watch with a reputable movement inside the popular ETA or ETA 2824-2 automatic movement, running strong at 28,800 vibrations per hour. All the watches are tested before sold. Yeah, they're regulated. Great peace of mind that you're getting the reliable movement behind this beautiful craftsmanship. Now the bracelet, that's also coming in strong. Full brush bracelet, 20mm, tapering down to 18mm at one of the finest push button deploy enclosures I've seen. A great finish with a diver extension with 5 positions and a sliding mechanism button to control its movement. It's what you would expect for a nice diver to wear over these wetsuits. All these fine parts and design features, you would think it's coming in for several thousands of dollars. MSRP is $1,100 US or $1,500 Canadian. Online you can find her at ZENEAWatches.com. I'll drop that link down there for you. For those of you that love versatility, don't worry, we have options. Also online at ZENEAWatches.com, you'll find an option to switch out the bracelet if you choose. You'll have options for a leather strap, you'll have options for NATO, and Jason also provided me with these beauties, silicone rubbers. I tried them on, super lightweight, they feel strong, durable, and quick release. How convenient is that? White, black, blue, red. Buckle also signed with ZENEA, if you can see that there. I'm not sure about the prices for these 4, but the other ones are on there. You'll see them at the link below. Like I said, I tried them on, fantastic. Jason was actually wearing the Meteorite on the white silicone rubber strap, and it felt really nice. It won't disappoint. The ZENEA ULA Diver, time and space Meteorite for this one. There are other configurations. Check online to see which model is going to be best suited for you. And let's celebrate a Canadian company, superb design, Swiss-made watch, and appreciate every moment. I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate your time. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, keep the algorithm going, hit the like, hit the bell. You'll get notified when the next video drops. Turn your notifications on too. I think that's my time for today. I'm on Instagram at TheCovertCrow. Follow me there whenever you have a second. Question, comment, concern, no problem. I got another video to make. See you on the next one.